How is onion traditionally used in women's wellness? A simple ingredient, used in African traditions since time immemorial to support women who have difficulty conceiving, is the onion. Rich in natural compounds, onions have long been valued for their role in supporting reproductive health.
Welcome to NaturaBloom, your space dedicated to women's natural well-being. In today's video, we'll talk about a traditional practice passed down through generations in some African cultures. A simple onion has been used for generations to support women during their cycle. This content is shared for educational and cultural purposes only. Stay with us to learn how it is traditionally used and important precautions to keep in mind. Instructions: clean the onion and remove the outer skin. Cut off the ends and the stem, then slice the onion into 2 to 3 thick slices. Place the slices on the lower abdomen. Keep them in place under fitted underwear, or secure them gently with a scarf or cloth. Remove the onion slices before going to bed. Repeat this practice daily during your menstrual period. Suggested precautions: safe and educational. 1. Skin sensitivity. Always place onion slices on clean, healthy skin. Do not use if there is irritation, rash, cuts, or wounds. Stop immediately if burning, itching, or redness appears. 2. External use only. This traditional practice is for external use only. Do not apply near intimate areas or mucous membranes. 3. Hygiene. Use a fresh, clean onion each time. Wash hands and clean the skin area before and after use. 4. Duration and comfort. Do not keep the onion on the skin for long periods. Remove it before sleeping, as traditionally advised. 5. Individual differences. Every body is different, reactions may vary. What works as comfort for one person may not suit another. 6. Not a medical treatment. This practice does not diagnose, treat, or cure fertility or menstrual conditions. It should not replace medical evaluation or treatment. 7. When to seek professional help. If pain, irregular cycles, or fertility concerns persist, consult a qualified healthcare professional. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. Tell us in the comments, which natural remedy are you used to? More educational videos are coming soon on NaturaBloom.